I understand kung walang presence, paano kaya maniniwala yung customer sa hindi naman namin nilala ang number. However, they have their investment team na nag-base na ng office dito sa area. So, I believe that is one. Second is, relationship with our associates, with our employees. So, it's more long-term. As I mentioned, sa Japanese, they have 5 years, 6 years. I'm already doing 12 years. So, strategy-wise, it's more long-term. Sigurado hindi kami magpapalit ng leader in the next 5 years. So, that is another factor. Especially relationship with the partners, distributors, dealers, and retail stores. And dahil pareho tayo Filipino, a lot is there to discuss. Yung mga nuances ng business, siya mo maintindihan. So, I believe those are the factors that makes a difference between a foreign and leader and